What's going on, guys? Got another box of 2011 Panini Americana in the mail today, and I also got a loose pack. As you can see, there's 5 packs in here instead of 4. And so I'm gonna do a quick recap on this. So let's see. I'll start with the one pack that I bought separately, if I can find it. Okay, here it is. This one pack I bought separately, and I got a Justin Bieber Screen Gems, woohoo, and Steve Connolly cut autograph that says Bay Krebs, I believe. Does it say anything about it? No. But kind of a cool cut. And there's the base. Then the next pack, if I can get better light. Okay, next pack. Now this is starting from the actual box here. Got a base, Matinee Legends Ginger Rogers and a Matinee Legends jersey shirt, whatever piece of Ingrid Bergman out of 4.99. The cut autograph was numbered out of 40. Then next pack from that box, Corey Haim Screen Gems base and Deborah Van Valkenburg autograph. The private signings out of 1.99. Next pack, got a Christina Applegate proof card, numbered out of 100. Base and hit a Primetime Stars autograph of Peter Tork, numbered 43 of 49. And then the last pack was probably the best hit of the box. Get a Willie Ames Primetime base, and the hit of that box was a John Wayne one-piece shirt swatch, numbered out of 4.99. There's the back. So it was an okay box, not as good as the last one I opened, but still good stuff. And I'm sorry if you guys aren't into this stuff, but it is cards, so I figured I'd post a recap video anyway. So that's it. I am trading these cards or whatever if anybody else out there collects these things. That's it.